Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So I made videos on Uthando Nesthembu, right? I did Uthando Nesthembu Uncut, and I also did the recent episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. The aim was just to share with my TikTok viewers or my TikTok friends to say this is the opinion that I had on the episodes. I am now sharing them with you. Please let me know what you think of the episodes that have played. And do you think Uguti Umseleku still has the power to keep this as tempo going? Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe as you enjoy my TikTok videos. Bazalwane guy, Bazalwane. I get we all watched the episode Uthando Nesthembu, right? Did you guys see the part Mangwabe? Sorry. G8 social so I'm there today. But Mangwabe is getting a divorce, right? Mangwabe does not want to be there. But did you all see that Ukro was still wearing her ring? Ukro was still wearing her ring while she was comforting her daughter. Her daughter was crying. Ukro begala. Afage earring. Dumelang Bazalwane. Sbo, I'm replying to your thingy because it's the quickest I could find. Uspo says, I think it's just a storyline in G. She's been living for such a long time. Yes, girl has been living for such a long time. Ne? Mina, my worry is that if it's just a storyline, I was just not happy with how the girl cried. Like, yo, but also, we need to learn something from all this. Another lesson that social media does not talk about a lot is that divorce does not only affect umama no baba. It affects the children, and it becomes difficult for the children to understand your decision, more especially if your decision is not like your reasoning is not clear, right? I think Uguti Umawande is not understanding because umama uthi ngiyahamba because kuno number 5. In her thinking as a child is like uhamba kanjani kuno number 5 because now ungenile waba number 4 to get, and also uhamba kanjani because isithembu is our norm. Why would you then want to leave? Because like it's just adding another wife. Like what's the big deal? And somebody else might say ukuthi umntwana is being unrealistic, but umntwana is living from the reality that she is served. Hence she's also saying ubaba wakhe lezi zinto azikhuluma ngomama wakhe zibhlungu, they are hurtful. It's because of Umseleku Shoguphi TV. That's what she's served. But she does not understand the dynamics that happen in the bedroom where conflict happens or conflict is unresolved. Do I think Umangwabe should leave? No. I don't think Umangwabe should leave her marriage. I think Umangwabe should go back to the girl that she was and be happy with Umusa Mseleku. Mina personally, I might be wrong. Mina as wife number 6 waga Musa Mseleku, as wife number 6 waga Musa Mseleku ngikhulumela mina isithembu saka Mseleku ngisibona si right. So as long as they can all go back to not having expectations, to just being as happy as they were when we started. And I know Guti, it takes a lot for a wife to go there. Being a wife to a medical doctor myself, you know, my husband that's my husband that. I know Guti takes a lot, but I do not think Uguti umshado so pelile so. I think Uguti the marriage could be remedied. A lot can still happen. Umusa loves his wife or his wives. Umusa loves his marriage. Umusa loves his family, and he's shown that multiple times. So mina, I'm pleading no Mangwabe as the incoming 6th wife. Ungahambi mnakwethu. Lo mshado lo will not be the same without you. Cela uhlale mpethu usihlalele thina sonke.